Ever wonder why chess has rules that feel like sneaky cheat codes? Castling lets your king pull off a ninja escape, while the rook slides in like backup. And en passant, that's the pawn's secret ambush move you never saw coming. If castling didn't exist, you'd waste 10 moves walking your king to safety like a scared child. Centuries ago, manually shuffling your king sideways took forever. So players invented free castling, a chaotic mess where your king could teleport any distance toward the rook, and the rook could land almost anywhere. Different regions, different rules. Total anarchy. So they standardized it. King can move only 2 squares. But here's the big brain chess part. The rules aren't random. Castling was designed to speed up development, not as an escape pod. That's why you can't castle through check. It's not a teleportation device. And since it originally started as a 2-move sequence with the rook going first, you can't use it to dodge check either. Finally, once your king or rook moves, castling rights are gone forever. Otherwise, players would abuse those starting squares like wormholes, escaping checkmate by rewinding time. So next time you castle, remember, you're using a centuries-old speed hack that chess finally agreed on. Most chess players have no idea en passant exists. If that's you, smash the like button, because history of this rule will blow your mind. En passant wasn't invented to confuse beginners. It was created to stop cheaters. Medieval chess was torture. Pawns moved 1 square at a time, making every game a closed, boring shuffle. Opening the position took 4 moves just to contact enemy pawns. And by then, you'd be so far behind in development that it was suicide. Nobody opened, just endless maneuvering. So they introduced the double pawn move. Games opened up, tactics exploded, problem solved, until the endgame, where pawn would just pass without encountering the enemy pawn. The chess world said absolutely not, so they patched the exploit. The rule, if you try using the double move to sneak past an enemy pawn, they get 1 chance to capture you, as if you only moved 1 square. Hit subscribe if you learned something new.